If you want to learn how to create an animated toggle button in Figma, watch till end. So let's start. First, create a rectangular shape and make the corners rounded to give it a pill style look. Now choose a fill color that matches your design. Next, create a circle that fits perfectly inside the rectangle and place the circle on the left side of the toggle button. Now select the circle and add some effects. Adjust the Y position, blur and color settings to create a shadow effect. Once that's done, duplicate the toggle button and move the duplicate below the original one. Change its fill color so we can clearly see the differences between the two states. Now select both versions and go to the drop down menu and choose a create component set. Next, select the circle in the second variant and move it to the right. This will create the second toggle state. Now let's add the interaction. So go to the prototype tab, select the first variant, add a trigger to on click, and for the action choose change to and select the second variant and do the same. For the animation, choose smart animate and set the easing to ease in and out. Now repeat the same interaction for the second variant so that clicking it will toggle back to the first state. Now go to the assets panel and drag your toggle component into the frame. Click the play button to preview the prototype. And there you go. When you click the toggle button, it smoothly switches from left to right and right to left. That is how easy to create an animated toggle button in Figma. In the next video, we will learn more UX UI design tips and tricks. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more UX UI and Excel content, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. See you in the next one.